Hi guys, I've got an unboxing for you today, and today I'm unboxing the April, can you believe it's April already, edition of Glossybox UK. So let's have a little look. Lid. My mum was looking at one of these and she was trying to see what are they inside the lids. It's the Glossybox emblem, Mum, it's not a sticker or anything. Yeah. And this is what it looks like. So you've got your information sheet, tells you exactly what's in your box, and it tells you what you could have got now. I preferred it when they told you just what you got, then you didn't feel quite so bad when you didn't get something you wanted. Never mind, but this is what it looks like. Usual format, wrapped with a ribbon, you get a bit of tissue paper with a ton of shred, and, oh, okay, that looks interesting. Looks interesting, so yeah. Right, let's see what it says. Glossies, let us take you back. This month is dedicated to all things nostalgia. For the whole of April, we'll be taking inspiration from generations past, bringing you a fresh twist on all classics. From Brigitte Bardot's signature cat eye in the 50s to 70s inspired colourful body products to 90s bold lips, which I'm rocking today, may I add. Bold lip. Dark bold lip, but a bold lip. We're paying homage to our favourite beauty styles of the past. In the 80s, you ask? Well, some things were only acceptable in the 80s. Thankfully, I don't remember a lot of the 80s. I was alive, but I don't remember a lot of them. Anyway, so let's start with the first item. I'm trying to think, I need to put this down. I'm going to put this down for a minute because I'm all fingers and thumbs today for some reason. Exclusive, the Karl Lagerfeld, ooh, Karl, Model Core Baked Blush in Light Beige. From the bold and daring blush of the 80s to the natural look we're all sporting now, we've come a long way, thank goodness. Well, you know. Say hello to this incredible baked blush that brightens and highlights every complexion to create a catwalk-inspired glow. The luxurious pressed powder and micronized colour pigments deliver a sheer natural radiance that lasts all day. Full size, 3.5 grams. Recommended retail price. Glossybox early exclusive. Launch date is yet to be realised. Now, first of all, it's really strange that Karl Lagerfeld has done a collaboration with a company that I wouldn't class as very high end. I mean, yes, I know Model Co all, but they're very much you get them in a lot of beauty boxes, a lot of magazine freebies and things. But yeah, so this is what the packaging looks like. Okay, that is beautiful. There we go, Karl in the front. Because when you consider who he's done collaborations with in the past, yeah. Oh, that's pretty. Basically, if you like MAC mineralized skin finishes, you'll like this. Oh, that is so pretty. Right, let's see what it pigments. It's a highlighter, it's not a blush. I would never use that as a blush. Oh, that is so beautiful. You're not going to be able to see it, you can just see it. You're not going to see this anywhere near as nice as it is. It's like a goldy champagne. That is absolutely lovely. I will definitely use that. I love a highlighter, so that is nice. Love that. But no price on it, so I don't very much doubt I'll be able to find one, but I'll have a look anyway. And if I do find anything, I'll link below. Right, so that's that. Number 2. Did you discover you see they've gone back to the old system. Now they're just telling you what's in your box, which I actually prefer. Right, next thing, MDM Floor. I've got a couple of MDM Floor, but it's mainly from beauty boxes and things. This is the MDM Floor Liquid Matte Lipstick, full size 6ml. It's a nice pinky colour. Fall in love with crushed velvet with this long-lasting matte lipstick, available in an array of different shades, taking inspiration from the rock darlings of the 80s and 90s. MDM Floors liquid matte formula will provide the arena to your stage. And dry lips, forget that. This lipstick contains beeswax and vitamin E that will keep your pout looking soft and luscious for up to 8 hours. £19, 6ml. Do we have a colour? We have a colour retro. That's what it looks like. It's all of a pinky colour. So we'll have a little swatch of that. Oh, that actually looks very similar to the one I'm wearing at the moment. Oh, that's not matte. Yeah, so it's quite a dark pink. The one I'm wearing at the moment is by Bare Minerals. I can't remember the shade, I'm afraid, but it's a Bare Minerals and it's one of their liquid lipsticks. So that's that, full size, £19. That covers the cost of the box, at least. So that's 2 items. Next, Effect Cosmetics. Ooh. Translucent powder. I love translucent powder. I know everyone says, oh, now it's the trend. Oh, it makes you look dry and chalky. No, it doesn't. My skin literally sucks it in. The only things that it can sometimes do is make my pores look worse. But my skin is such a grease ball on occasion that I need something to mat it down. And I'm not a big fan of silicone-based products, so I actually prefer like the old loose powder. Effect Cosmetics Matte Effect Transparent Loose Rice Powder. Move over banana powder. There's a new celebrity on the scene. Introducing rice powder, a combination of mica and rice starch which gives a perfect matte finish. This is one of our makeup bag staple must-haves as it's the perfect makeup setter. Instant absorbent oil, setting foundation and lipstick without the cakey look. Top tip. Press the powder onto your skin while your foundation is still wet with a flat shaped brush or powder puff. Recommended retail price £9.35 and that is a 10 gram full size. That's what that. So very impressed with that. I'll definitely use that. I've actually just finished a face powder today, so always need face powder. Right, this is the thing that I'm a bit sick of these. I've had a couple of these in boxes and to be honest it's not something that I use that much. But never mind, it's the values there and so on. It is the Icall Liquid Eyeliner in black. Now, Icall used to be a fabulous, quirky, sort of manga kawaii themed brand. They used to do really cute nail polishes, mascara and all the rest of it. Then all of a sudden, they just went ridiculously upmarket and shoved their prices up and got rid of some of their best products, in my opinion, which were the cute little nail polishes. Never mind, they've obviously had their reasons for doing it and they've probably proved quite successful doing it, but I don't forget. Never mind. Icall London Fat Liquid Eyeliner. Reminded of the big bold lines from the Beige Bordeaux that rocked in the 50s, Twiggy in the 60s and Kate in the 90s. The it girls over the last decades have shown us that heavy liner never goes out of fashion. Recreate all of those looks with this smudge proof. Is it smudge proof? I will be the judge of that. Liquid eyeliner. Tag us Glossybox UK to share your winged beauties with us. If it works, I'm in heaven, but I don't think it will. A lot of liners say smudge proof. I have oily skin, I have really oily lids and watery eyes. That does not mean that your eyeliner tends to stay put that often. But never mind, full size, 3.5 grams, £16. Can't argue with the price. Right, final item, and it's a nice big bottle. And it is a micellar solution. I do love micellar water. I think micellar waters are brilliant. They're better for your skin than wipes and they're really easy to use and they've overtaken wipes when it comes to lazy days for me. Plus they're really quick and there's no excuse for not cleansing your skin. Botanics, is this Boots Botanics? Yes it is, Boots Botanics. Oh, they've repackaged. So this is Boots Botanics. They've changed their packaging again. Again, don't forgive them for changing that eye makeup remover. I used to buy hundreds, I must have bought like 30 bottles of their eye makeup remover. Then they rebranded and changed the packaging. Oh, it's still the same. No, it wasn't. It made my eyes sting within 1 second of applying it. So maybe it's worth a try again. But yeah, kind of fell out with Botanics over that. So never mind. Looks like they've rebranded and changed the packaging again. Botanics All Bright Micellar Water Cleansing Water. Removing makeup is no longer a chore with this 3-in-1 micellar cleanser. Designed to feel as light and gentle as water, makeup is dissolved instantly and impurities are removed. Infused with hibiscus extract, your skin will look instantly refreshed. Apply to skin using a cotton wool pad and wipe gently over skin. There is no need to rinse or rub. Recommended retail price is $5.49 and the full size 250ml size. So I will definitely use that. In fact, shall we give it a go now? Yes, we will. We'll see what this does now. Just reach and grab a cotton pad so I can take these swatches off. We'll see how well it does. So, okay, but it's got one of them. It hasn't got the Pora liquid thing on, so you kind of going to use quite a bit at once. So that's mini fail, but never mind. Right, perfectly clear as you can see. Okay, highlighter straight off. Lipstick it's struggling with a bit, but oh, all gone. And yeah. So can't really smell anything on my hand, but so yeah, I'll definitely give this a go. I do like micellar waters, so I'll definitely give that a go. So that was Glossybox. What have they got for a hint for May's? Vegan cruelty-free shampoo and conditioner duo from Swedish professional brand Maria Nila. So that's going to be next month. So shampoo and conditioner. So what can I? There is a bin over there. I haven't just thrown it on the floor. Yeah, that was a pretty good box. Makeup items, bar the eyeliner, I'm quite excited over. The Lagerfeld highlighter is beautiful. Really like that. And micellar water is something I'm definitely keen to use. So thumbs up to Glossybox for this one for me. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'll link to the sizes and prices below. As I say, there is no price for the Lagerfeld model coat as yet, but I will see if I can find one, because that obviously this was a couple of weeks ago when this box first went out, so you never know. So I'll have a look around and see. But I'll link to the size and price below, and I'll also link to Glossybox so you can have a look into subscribing yourself. It is an affiliate link, but if you fancy, please use my link. I'd really appreciate it. So thanks for watching. I will be back shortly with another unboxing, which will be Pink Parcel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.